this service, Pastor Chikapunyu, respected deacons, elders, and my dear friends. I joined you in this special occasion of the wonderful women of our church with all humility, and I thank the program organizers for giving me this platform to stand before you, besides my limitations. When Chikapunyu began to run from Grisha, she hesitated Grisha because of the fact that there is a language barrier for me, and spiritually will be able to solve secondary Mikey or experience will be up there on compare Grisha. So least that Gabra. Not one I've insisted, but and my Kalahi Kuribo Grisha, she only was solo in a Hobobra and agitation. Keep Obona and by nature, by profession, by birth in a but I am very rude. My sound, my tone is very rude. I'll try to be very tender, very delicate, and very soft in front today. Little acting thing. The Bhavna I found the missing 3 words in our community. In my association with my friends from our community, area and are generally one practice. I found it missing. But this is the 3 key words that is the simplest and easier to put into practice. I'm sure you know these 3 key words. This is called a magical word also. They're a simple word, but this is the most effective. And these 3 simple words, it contains the greatest strength to protect the family, the society, and even the nation. I'm dictionary my friends I don't know dictionary just that I'm not right? Please, thanks to Anna Rosalie. It's for please. I love for sorry, and Minyopanam for thank you. I find this we hardly use this word. No, has the power and the strength to pacify I have an experience, my brother-in-law, once upon a time, my parents happened to visit us. I was my brother-in-law and then later on, 2-3 days today, this is your responsibility. Responsibility as well. Basic manners you have to start teaching them. 2 years after 2 years, I training they found him complete change. Good morning, uncle. Good night, uncle. He started practicing the words thank you, sorry, and please. Every core we should start practicing this. It will start role again. This is no exceptional. My moment that illiterate but then core pitore my ki receive every little thing likapura ekdom na thage maybe takan ki jane tade bra ana hange na mold kurina shape kurina what idea laga ase idu confidence ase koigina this does not authorize you to take everything for granted. Confidence ase koigina we use when we don't use the word please idu chingmai lam dingne idu amna kida kwana ingredo everything sound very commanding hogum dia hi jaina idu ani bido udu jabido uda de kori bido instead can you please bring that, would you mind telling me that na and see the difference tone na difference of sabido how impressive it is or how sweet it sound and dibule mona dia na my son little kid time we get mommy come here sometimes na I said keep walking. Mommy, please come here. See, then I know, I cannot demand role as if I'm as but since he used the word please, I'm obliged to chocolate, obliged to like one of our Emilo is here, among the politicians also same. When did one year press power and he would just apologize. But then we Rasta block sir, may I have a word with you, please, for 2 minutes? And now we should especially our chief minister would say, well, अपने अभी कोथा बोलो हम के भाषा बोले लगाई थके but since अपने प्लीज क्वेश्चन पाई नहीं 2 minutes कोथा होगो 20 minutes में कोथा कोई जाए इधर बोलो टाइम नहीं मिली ना see magic word कोथे तो ऐसे magic word कोथे it really works, it's magical, why don't we use it? One, when people are marching ahead आगे ले जा रहे हैं हम the basic manners नहीं हम ना छिड़ाई बोला कि let us start using this word more frequently. Let us develop, one habit they calculate with the work, it is an idea say around thank you, minyong panam. Ito na habi man pal thasyo. I mean mui achisanado achitakto. This is my 9th year of my marriage, but hardly I think 20 we thank you ba na gi achitakto for maybe mui gradually enough no na gi na I take it in that way. Whatever I did for the family or for the society or it could really be enough no na gi na kinno mane man man get thank you na ko do. Didi bhalo se na bi na ko. I was just talking the day posted kotha church usually ki platform de kotha hobo diko kotha boina na boibo mota hide na ham strap bana side de then will be more nervous. It's the first thing, oh well done, isai na kali na really now first appreciation, we lack appreciation also. We don't even appreciate when our children, even if they bring participation certificate, winner last certificate, winner participation last certificate, why don't we congratulate them? Try for more. Appreciation also starts from home, and this appreciation and the word thank you, expressing our gratitude, recognition here, this is very, very weak in our community again, especially one it to be हम practice करेंगे follow वाला कि कोई ना it to be how को थंग ना idea say wow, sorry, this is something again very, very big word, and unlike thank you or please nishina no sorry word pishi attitude ase. This sorry word has a lot of attitude because sorry ko bole do among na mon bitor ra bola nai bole do itu sorry, I'm sorry in a casually bolo it is insult to the other person. Mon kaldi guna rakhi na be seriously sorry sincerity ra sorry na bole casually push bole do it sound very insulting and that hurts, that bitterness to aro friendship la majo ko be at home ko be aro kusi jai correct kusi jai do admitting your mistake does not apni ke chutu pana hoy ami galti ase pode mapuri dil pode apni ke do sabili do you I have I came from an ex-serviceman background, but I came from my papa is the most humblest on earth, if I must. Though time we four of us, so one be humble first. Be humble. It was honest life thagibi. Aro apni chupade apni phalu shubile do apni iman de jai you will be good. Apni you will succeed. No ile do chupade biya thagi shubile do abroad be jana rakhi. It's the same. nothing will be good around you. Be good in the kitchen itself, be good. Then people around you, you will see them good. Itu tindang kang dia kota kita. Aja tapi kore itu itu. Humble life, you don't lose anything. Being humble, you don't lose anything. Humble, no brother, you only gain more friendship. And then itu life to palgri that also manora nang di bodo. Humble life na bibig wala. Amin nang barbar itu remind ko rin kaya say aja tapi. Aro this acknowledging mistakes, among nakakaldi acknowledge brother. It does not mean muhan ano lang nije bishin chay na koran but when we sincerely apologize to somebody to whom we have committed mistakes, muhan sorry apologize for them there. When the word sorry goes out from your mouth, another unheard, unseen na hunya na janya na dikhala message kita or convey to that other person. I will not repeat the same mistake. Na this mistake, I'm sorry because it matters. Sorry, this matters a lot about our ego and pride also. But then once we realize how important that person is, supposed to my husband, when I realize that when I realize the importance and value of his life, then the word sorry, it will not be hard, and then I won't even, my bride and ego will not even want me to say this. Children are at the receiving end. I can keep my gikan especially, or my gikan keep our behavior, our personality, everything affects our children, and when they express their gratitude after we meet their requirements, maybe politely thanking us, maybe offering an apology, maybe acknowledging for what they have done wrong, then it's a payback for the efforts of the elders. At least the basic manners to important. This word does not confine even to the oldest. We know they just don't know what these three words are, but still then they are so comfortable, they are confined in their own zone, and they are so comfortable but here we are living in a mixed society, and therefore we need to start practicing the basic manners at home. When I'm reminded of the Bible verse, Proverbs 14, verse 1. The wise woman builds her house with her own hands, and the foolish one tears hers down. If we are good enough, then our home, our family will be protected, it will be in peace, we will grow, the society will grow, and the nation will grow. Dunia wado dikia se for sopi maiki la pacha phal olelebi shikap to matala credit jai, but still then pacha dia spoiled ho. I am responsible. We are held accountable responsibility for the shortcomings of the woman. Ito wane maiki phal bishu ledo dunia sof jaga de phal ho. Ito wane amikan so proud and try go aro edu kotha jodi phal buni go pare ase bido kindly spread the message, especially abnan khandan musti de kotha kan edan practice gurumane lage gumina amna edu kotha punche dile phal yade motarman phal man loving fathers and handsome men tamamrina se kotha ta kole mona se appreciate your woman for the sacrifices and burdens that she carried for the family. She really cares. You do care, we know, and you are. He so said, being the head of the family, you lead the way. But my kid she burns value your woman just as you value your mother and daughter. May the good Lord help us in restore them to the rightful place in our hearts, in our home, and in our civil coexistence. Ami Russian Russia, Ami time do itu punya nama tu Ami phal kotha je pamna boigina Aisha, Ami kotha punya jalan di cuti, Ami han laga Ami puji pun apa ya laga kotha punya se itu. I'm very sorry. Please acknowledge my mistake, correct Kohima made to be village like this. Thank you very much for your time.